Endurance athletes may benefit from adopting a low-carbohydrate diet. Research conducted at RMIT University in Australia suggests that a fat-rich diet can improve stamina and metabolic efficiency in cyclists and triathletes. The study, published in the Journal of Applied Physiology, examined the effects of different dietary patterns on athletic performance. The experiment involved 7 test subjects who underwent various dietary regimens. Initially, participants consumed a standard diet consisting of 58% carbohydrates, 27% fats, and 15% protein. They then switched to a low-carb diet with 69% of energy from fats, 16% from carbohydrates, and 15% from proteins. On the final day, subjects were given a high-carb diet with 70% carbohydrates, 15% fats, and 15% proteins. Researchers assessed the athletes' energy utilization during cycling sessions at 65% of their VO2 max. Tests were conducted on days 2, 5, and 8 for 15 minutes each, and on day 9 for a 4-hour duration. All cycling tests were performed in the morning before breakfast. The results showed that after a week on the low-carb diet, athletes burned more fats and fewer carbohydrates during exercise. Blood tests during the 4-hour ride revealed higher concentrations of fatty acids and glycerol, indicating increased fat mobilization from cells. Following the 4-hour cycling session, participants completed an additional 1-hour ride. The low-carb diet group covered a slightly greater distance during this final test, though the improvement was not statistically significant. This research challenges the traditional high-carbohydrate approach for endurance athletes. It suggests that a low-carb diet, followed by carbohydrate restoration before an event, may enhance fat oxidation and potentially improve performance. However, further studies are needed to confirm these findings and determine optimal dietary strategies for different types of endurance events. Athletes considering dietary changes should consult with sports nutritionists to develop personalized plans that meet their individual needs and goals. Factors such as event duration, intensity, and personal physiology all play roles in determining the most effective nutritional approach for endurance performance.